Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Want to decorate your classroom or home with a bright and colorful fall banner? Today, we're making an easy and fun apple stamp banner. A perfect DIY for kids, classrooms, and families. The best part? We'll be stamping with real apples. Here's what you'll need. Apples, washable paint, or any craft paint you have, paint brushes, color paper or cardstock, glue, scissors, a hole punch, string or ribbon, paper towels, and something to cover your workspace. Step 1. First, cut your apples in half and slice a few smaller pieces. Gently pat them dry with a paper towel. This helps the paint stick better. These halves and slices will be our stamps. Step 2. Painting and stamping. Pour a little paint onto your tray or plate. Brush red, yellow, or green paint onto the flat side of an apple, or just dip it straight in. Now, press it firmly onto your paper, lift it up, and you'll see a perfect apple print. Repeat the process with different colors to make a collection of bright apple stamps. Step 3. Adding details. Once your prints are dry, add tiny seeds in the middle with a marker. Next, glue each apple print onto a piece of colored paper to make it stand out. Now let's add stems and leaves. Dip one slice into brown paint for stems. And another into green paint for leaves. Suddenly, every print looks just like a real apple. Step 4. Assembling banner. To finish, punch holes at the top of each apple piece. Thread string, yarn, or ribbon through the holes to connect them together. Adjust the spacing. And your banner is ready to hang. And there you have it, a bright, handmade apple stamp banner that's perfect for fall decorations. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new craft idea. Share your apple stamp banners in the comments. I'd love to see your creations. If you want even more fun and easy projects, check out my other tutorials linked at the end of this video. Stay colorful and keep creating beautiful art with simple materials. Thanks for crafting with me today.